Keilani, scoot over. Scoot over right here. Can we see? See everybody? And they food? That'll be fine. Hi guys, welcome back to another motherfucking video. So today we giving y'all mukbang. We have Chipotle
and Wingstop.
Wingstop.
Thumb down.
Yes, you can say.
Hey guys. What?
I thought you was gonna say thumbs down.
Thumb down. Thumb down. I'm talking about.
Oh, okay. So we end up getting the chips and the Chipotle, and then we got the voodoo fries. Well, you gotta pull your voodoo fries over a little bit. Can you see everybody? Okay, you ready? Set. Let's try it. Ooh. So we got the chow for real.
On one side.
One side.
That's enough. Try some with your spoon.
I want
Let me try some. The time Chipotle want to be good.
Exactly. They so good.
Ooh, that's hot sauce spicy.
I just think we could have got 2 bowls. Literally. No.
Dang, most of the video, Lonnie gonna be probably helping me eat.
Y'all, Keilani want to do this video.
The hot sauce is good.
I like
You got beans?
I should have got corn, but I ain't seen no corn.
Don't put that. Dip it.
Oh, I don't have to.
They guac be so good.
So I got white rice, chicken, black beans, guac, queso, and cheese, and white rice.
After this video, we going to sleep.
Well, I gotta do my hair. I haven't ate Chipotle in so long. It was good. Listen to the crunch. Don't you just love how you walk somebody around?
You almost decided to, bro. What's his name? What's that plasma called?
What?
Where Jeremiah's at?
Yeah.
And it was a sheriff, a state trooper had said, "Hey, she told me so. Leave me alone." You act like you can't feed yourself money.
She act like she the boss of us. You made her do this. She wanted this video. Let me get some of this. Voodoo crime.
Without the hot seasoning, it's good.
Yes or no?
Try to do a heart.
Love y'all.
Where's my hot piece?
Y'all, it was these 2 bright rainbows. And one was spreading, and one was like small.
And we got some pictures. We're going to insert some pictures. Because we got videos and pictures. Oh my God, this black meat good. Miss Mukbang. Keilani love watching mukbang just to go to sleep, don't you? She'll watch mukbangs to go to sleep. Or was she really, really hungry? We need a microphone so they can actually get the crunch. And here's the food.
Lonnie be see. Lonnie, she know how to get the crank.
Mm-hmm.
Lonnie, eat some chips.
No.
No.
It's your hat.
Those are hot food. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Stop eating it.
Don't eat that hot sauce no more. What did you want to do in your video? Because you got us making this video and you're not doing or saying anything. What challenge do you want to do?
A soy salad.
A toy challenge?
Uh-huh.
What you have to do? Teach me.
They play with toys. Do that.
Talking about marbles.
Marble.
Okay. Honestly, you can do.
Lonnie, you want some? Take a bite.
This is good and healthy. You say you got healthy food. I'm getting full. I think because I drank some of the drink before we got here.
Guacamole.
They guacamole is
What?
good. They're really good.
Guacamole, guacamole.
Got some guacamole.
Guacamole.
And they rice not hard.
Exactly.
But it usually be hard.
Last time I went to a Chipotle, that shit was so nasty. It was so nasty. It was hard, it was old, and I was mad. You know what? That location don't got a lot of stuff. Because they didn't have sour cream. That was queso. They didn't have sour cream and some other sauces and
They
stuff.
can't see.
I'm
You gonna sit on my lap. Lonnie, look, have some.
I'm making a mermaid shell.
So salmon will be good.
Mm-hmm.
Please.
Salmon on top of the Chipotle bowl.
What is this, onions?
Tomatoes.
Last one. Mommy,
So
give me.
Yeah, that's tomatoes.
Onions.
It was mixed with the tomatoes.
Oh, I didn't have one yet. Oh, hell nah. Ugh.
You don't like onions?
Hell no.
I mean, you probably.
I haven't ate one yet though.
You probably.
Because I really haven't ate no tomatoes.
Hey, tomato.
Tomatoes good for you.
Yeah, tomatoes. I got some black beans because black beans are good for your heart.
Mama, I want another one.
You already threw
Them
your legs.
them things what we ate this morning was nasty.
Why you lie like that? They don't even got no taste.
You told me that lot, but Keilani can eat them.
No, they literally don't got no taste. So how are they nasty with no taste?
I don't like the
No,
crunchiness.
it's just crunchy. One of them crunchy, and the other one. The other one, did it have a taste? It might have had a taste.
I like the other one better than
The flax seed,
yeah.
the chica seeds just taste like stop. The chica seeds just taste like it's just crunchy. It don't got no taste to it, and it got omega 3.
You about to put the flavor.
I was tired. Why am tired? I'm ready to go to sleep.
You want to do your hair when you wake up?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to wake up early in the morning. I'm sleepy.
Look, Mommy, I got a lot, Mommy.
Somebody push in the bed.
I got a lot, Mommy. One.
She be at the top.
Yeah.
Four.
I got one.
1, 2, 4, 5.
Lonnie, you know you blocking my face, bro.
I love
Sit
it.
down on me up with you.
What time is it?
Today.
Let me go put my phone on.
Ice trader again.
I'll be back.
Mama.
Back.
No.
I used to try that again.
I forgot my phone for the day. Oh shit.
Flop, flop, flop. Don't mess up my mommy's hair. Yeah, don't stop another beach. Another beach, guys. Another beach.
Yeah, food and
Food,
Well, I'm getting full. That food was good though.
I full. Mommy, I full, mommy.
You full? Okay, anyways, we getting full and we getting sleepy. So I want to say thank y'all for watching our video. If y'all like it, make sure y'all like, comment, and what?
Try.
Yeah, say bye.
Bye.
Be calm, be calm, be calm, be calm.